Welcome everyone. Today we are checking out the THINKCAR ThinkSCAN 689BT, a powerful all-in-one automotive diagnostic tool that brings bidirectional scanning and ECU coding to your garage. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this automotive diagnostic tool at the best price in the market. This scanner is built on a smooth Android 10 platform with a quad-core processor, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage, giving you a responsive and fast interface that feels modern and easy to use. One of the standout features is its full bidirectional control, which allows you to send commands directly to vehicle components during active tests, including fuel trim resets, injector tests, window and mirror operations, and much more, saving mechanics valuable time. The tool also supports ECU coding and advanced functions like power balance adjustments, hidden feature activation, and adaptive data resets, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional repair shops. With coverage of over 140 car brands and support for FD and DoIP protocols, you get faster communication and compatibility with worldwide vehicles, including FCA AutoAuth for 2018 plus models. It includes 34 essential services, from oil reset, EPB, BMS, SAS calibrations to ABS bleeding and injector coding, providing comprehensive maintenance options without additional subscriptions. Wireless updates ensure your scanner stays up to date with the latest models and features. On the downside, some ECU coding functions vary by vehicle model and may require manufacturer accounts for full access, and the initial price is higher than basic scanners, but the value in save time, advanced features, and coverage is unmatched. Overall, the ThinkScan 689BT is a premium automotive tool that can drastically improve diagnostic speed, accuracy, and customization options. For anyone serious about vehicle maintenance or running a repair business, this is an investment that pays off. Make sure to click the link in the description below to grab this tool and experience professional-grade diagnostics for your vehicles.